Do you think professional bas-reliefs require expensive monthly subscriptions? Think again. With Bildeform version 2 inside Blender, we turn a simple 2D image into a detailed 3D sculpture in seconds. No external software, no expensive licenses. Our unique frequency separation workflow gives you total artistic control. You aren't just getting a noisy displacement map, you're sculpting with separated layers for clean, production-ready geometry. And this is for real production. Whether you are doing CNC carving, creating custom alpha brushes, or high-fidelity 3D printing, Bildeform generates solid, artifact-free meshes that translate perfectly from the screen to the physical world. Watch how we prepare a beautiful picture from Blender with the bas-relief generated by Bildeform from an image generated by AI. We improve and adapt the result from Orca Slicer for our Elegoo 3D printer. See how the result is completely professional? Stop renting your tools. Get industry-standard results right inside Blender. Grab Bildeform now with 25% off until January 15th. The opportunity ends soon.